Hello and welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to go ahead and learn about using static files in Django. So, as I earlier mentioned, Django is a web development framework, which is backend framework, but that doesn't mean that Django websites have to be ugly because even if Django is a backend framework, we still have the ability in Django to make the front end look beautiful using something which is called as the templates. Now, templates actually serve one purpose. They help us to design the HTML code and everything like that. But there is a lot of static content with the website as well. And what I mean by static content is that static content includes something like the images, the assets, and everything like that, which we use to make our website look much more beautiful. So if you talk about front end development, whenever we are making websites and designing only the front end of the website, we usually have two major parts. The first part is going to be the HTML code, and the next part which we have in it is the CSS file, which basically stands for cascading style sheets, which actually is responsible for making our website look beautiful. So now we are going to learn how we could add that CSS file to our website so as to make our website look much more beautiful. So even if you're working on a Django project and if you are a backend engineer, there is still going to be someone on the front end who is going to design the CSS files for you. So now in order to add CSS files to your Django project, what you have to do is that you first have to go to the directory, which is nothing but your app directory. So let's go HTML page, then what you simply have to do is that you have to download some image of the internet, which is a background image. And now what you simply have to do is that you need to go to the actual path, which is the path where your static folder is actually present. So let me just go to that particular path. So you simply have to take this image and you just have to place it inside the static folders photo app folder. So as you could see, now we have this image over here. And we will start designing the page from scratch. We will design the HTML tag, we'll design the head tag, we'll design the body tag, and within the body we will paste the regular unordered list code here, which we have just copied. And now in the head tag you need to write in the code to link a CSS file with this index.html file. So you type in link rel. So link rel is going to be style sheet, and href is going to be the path where your CSS file actually lies. So here we will use the regular template syntax. Just type in static over here, as the CSS file is located in the static folder, and here you just pass in the path as photo app, because that's where the file is actually located, slash style.css. So once you do that, you are now good to go. So just make sure that you save each and every file, and then if you actually go actually the image is loaded, but we are not able to see that image because it's a white image, because I have zoomed in into the web page. But if we actually zoom out, as you could see, we are going to have the image right over here. So make sure that you use any different image than this, or else you will not be able to see that image very clearly. So now, as you could see, we have successfully added the background image and styling to the index.html page, and we could even go ahead and add even more styling to this particular page. Now in the next lecture, what we will do is that we will actually go ahead and learn how we could create our very own navigation bar using Bootstrap. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.